Joe, good morning. Yeah, really different vibe, I think, here at the CERAWeek conference this year because I think the performance of oil and gas stocks was so hot last year, and also kind of the growing acceptance and realization that the hydrocarbon probably is not going away in a couple of years. Even the president was saying that in the State of the Union, that we're going to need oil and gas as part of this energy transition for at least a decade, probably longer. Olivier Lepouche is the CEO of SLB. You know them formerly as Schlumberger. Olivier,
good morning.
Merci, bon matin, good morning. Thanks for
coming. Good morning, Brian.
How long will the world need the hydrocarbon?
For decades. I'm sure that the energy system as it stands today is highly dependent on hydrocarbon source. And as we move forward, as the industry moves forward, energy transition cannot stand on its own today. And I think the transition will last decades. The challenge we have as an industry is to participate fully to the solution of both investing into a decarbonized oil and gas industry, decarbonizing to efficiency through digital, through solutions that are CO2 free for this industry, and at the same time, using our scale, using our innovation capability to accelerate the clean energy transition.
Because if you're an investor watching right now on CNBC and you say, you know what, I just can't, I'm either not allowed to own oil and gas companies or I don't want to. I want a fossil-free future. I'm a believer in hydrocarbon renewables. SLB is going to play a role in that as well. But also, tell our viewers, maybe educate them a bit, oil and gas is actually needed for the energy transition. You're not building a wind turbine without natural gas.
Absolutely. No, I think not only is being used for the clean energy, but it's in use in parallel. So I think it's not an or, it's an and equation. I think we will need fossil fuel for side product, byproducts of oil and gas that will continue to be part of our fabrics of our society. And at the same time, we will need the energy that oil and gas particularly, that complements the clean energy solution, that have some intermittency issue. So we need both, and I think we need both for some time.
Can investors get exposure to that with SLB?
Absolutely. I think we have been relaunching our brand less than 6 months ago, positioning ourselves to, as we said, drive energy innovation for a balanced planet. Balance is the key word. Balancing the energy system, the energy mix, to make use of oil and gas, decarbonize oil and gas. That's very critical. We have a goal to decarbonize the oil and gas operation, eliminate methane and flaring, so that this industry will be more sustainable, will be more resilient, and will participate longer into the transition.
Your recent earnings call, you said something that made me a little bit nervous about North America, primarily the United States. And I don't want to misquote you, but I think you said that growth had moderated in the North American business. Much more bullish internationally, but moderating growth, does that mean that the United States is going to see less new oil production in the quarters and years ahead?
No, I think to put things in perspective, I think last year the North America activity has been growing 50% year on year. So that's huge. This is a rate of growth that cannot, from resource access, from supply capacity, from the whole value chain that supports and innovates for the oil and gas industry, cannot sustain that rate of growth. So we are seeing a rate of growth.
Well, why not? Why can't it sustain? No people, no money. Money doesn't seem to be the problem.
No. I think it's the resource. All of us, all the value chain is capital discipline. Hence, we are disciplined to putting new resource, new equipment into play. And I think this has constrained somehow the rate of growth. So you see it moderating this year. Doesn't mean that it's going down. This year we'll add another 400,000 to 600,000 barrels a day of production. I think today the crude oil production from the US is already above 12 million barrels a day. So that's huge. And I think the industry has been growing 1.5, 1.6 since the trough of the COVID pandemic, and will keep growing. Now the growth will possibly moderate, and there are constraints around in the future that could make it moderate and plateau in the long run.